And now we're staying on top of another development in the sanitation strike. City of Chula Vista declaring a public health emergency just days after the city council meeting. So this public health emergency can change things. CBS 8's Dana Marie McNichol joining us live now to explain. Dana Marie.
Well, Netta, this declaration means that the city of Chula Vista can now invoke a self-help clause with their contract with Republic Services, meaning that they can do whatever it takes to pick up the trash that's laying outside of the bins. What they're doing is sending around 20 city workers to do this. I spoke with the chief of staff for the city of Chula Vista, and he said that they're doing things to make sure that the trash inside the bins, that's Republic Services' responsibility, but to keep it safe out around it. So here, take a listen.
Republic has $1 million bond that we can start charging against. We also, I hope we're able to backdate penalties and fines and fees assessed for noncompliance to our contract.
Now, last week, sanitation workers from Republic Services voted no to ending the strike after trying to negotiate their demands for better wages, safer working conditions, and improved trash trucks. Council member Jill Galvez says because Republic Services has failed to fulfill its obligations to pick up the trash, the city will now put its own measures in place for the health and safety of its residents. Galvez says the city crews will remove trash that is accumulated around the trash bins, and Republic Services will be responsible for picking up the rest. Now, multifamily housing apartment complexes will be the highest priority for city crews because so much more waste has accumulated at those locations, single-family homes being the next priority. Now, we did speak with those sanitation strikers who are continuously fighting for that new contract, and here's what they had to say about the new emergency health declaration.
It's sad, but the city has to take action in protecting the well-being of the customers of the city of Chula Vista. At the same time, we feel that it can, that's what's most important is our customers, the city of Chula Vista, and it also shows that Republic Services is failing to do what they promised, keeping up their end of the contract.
They also mentioned that they're ready to go back to work whenever that new contract is negotiated. They're excited about getting back to work, serving the community of Chula Vista, but of course they're hoping for that new contract. Now, there is an email and call center set up for customers who are needing to have the trash around their bins picked up. That's set up now by the city of Chula Vista.